This is gonna look so dodgy.
It is. Come on. No, it doesn't like us. Let's go. On the way. Okay.
Can I get introduced like?
Oh yeah, wait a minute. We'll introduce fauldo. This is fauldo.
Yeah.
He'll be joining me for this next vlog.
Remember to subscribe to fauldo.
Subscribe to Peppermint. It's going to be called fauldo. Yeah, right. Subscribe to Fluffy Chops. Subscribe
Dogs
to
are
Cat.
chasing us again.
Oh yeah, the dogs
Dogs
are
are
chasing.
chasing
It's
us.
the dogs that bit up Fauldo's balls and his penis.
It's a bit of my balls.
Alright, let's head upwards. We find this little alleyway kind of thing, and Fauldo's volunteered to go down it. There you go, go. We're probably going to get kicked out of here soon. Are you okay? Alright, you're not going to be okay for long. Alright, let's go. This is a strange neighbourhood. You okay, Fauldo? It's a bit scary.
It's in the daylight. I'm not scared.
Yeah, this is very, very scary. I've never been around here. It's like a ghost town. I don't see anyone in their windows or like outside. There's a van.
You've led us into a bit where no one actually lives here yet.
No, people do live here. Why is there cars around here? See? There's cars. I'll see you when we get somewhere, or if anything funny happens, we'll see you then. Because this is called Church Hall Bray, everyone. We should go buy a house. Should we?
There's a guy over there.
Oh yeah.
We should have bolted.
Nah, we won't. Let's go this way because I don't want to get thrown out. Here's the shitty construction work. Like,
That's not right.
run! He's coming! He's coming! When my mum and dad moved into Winchburgh, this is what they paid for. This magnificent view. Don't you just love construction work and muddy? Oh look at fauldo. That's totally fauldo.
Personally, I don't see it.
Yeah, I see it. If you hold a tablet to your face.
Personally, I think it's wrong that you're just taking pictures of that kid in the billboard.
Look, we're at Glendaven. Here we are, folks. This is it. We're gonna go and fuck up some swans. Not literally, we're just gonna go and see them. What are you doing?
I was checking if it was electric.
Oh, huh? Shag me, I'll be happy. No!
That's a reject over there. I don't know.
Look how close I am.
I'm going for.
Oh, what? Which duck? The brown one? Oh yeah, that narrows it down, doesn't it?
Right there then.
He's going for...
That green one's this.
Yeah, probably. Alright, we'll see you on the next
no.
vlog of the Fluffy Chops. Say goodbye, fauldo.
Subscribe to fauldo.
Subscribe to fauldo, also subscribe to Fluffy Chops, and we'll see you on the next vlog episode. It's probably going to be called Fucking Around Winchburgh, or something like that. Ducks, say goodbye.
That's the name of the series.
Say goodbye, ducks. Thank you. Alright, we'll see you later. Like, subscribe, and like again. I'll see you later.